Claude Code is an incredible force multiplier, but trusting its output blindly is a recipe for silent, massive errors. You aren't just building features, you're accidentally building technical debt that hides in your repo until it breaks production. Wait until you see how to inject honey-trap test cases that specifically target the model's hallucinations. Do you want to see the exact architecture for that? Build an agent trap. Create a test file that contains impossible constraints, like a function that calculates the square root of a string. If Claude tries to write a solution for the impossible input, your auditor rejects it, citing hallucinated constraint handling. You've now created a sandbox where the agent learns its own limits. Combine this with the Llama 370B local instance using Llama to run the audit locally. It's faster, it's offline, and it's free. Your local auditor catches the errors before your paid Claude instance even finishes its stream. Viewers are manually auditing every line of AI-generated code, creating a bottleneck that defeats the purpose of using a coder agent. We aren't just using the tool, we're breaking it. I'll show you how to jailbreak your own workflow by deploying a verification agent that catches Claude's hallucinations before they reach your repo. Viewers will master a self-auditing agent loop, where Claude Code reviews its own logic against honey-trap test cases before it ever commits a single line to production. You fail because you treat Claude like a peer, not a trainee. You save 3 days of debugging because the AI catches the off-by-one errors it loves to make at 3 a.m. And that architecture for the auditor? That's your firewall. Go to your project root. Run Claude config. Point your hook to a simple npm test or pytest command. Test it on 1PR today. There's one more feature in this release, dynamic memory expansion, that makes this auditor smarter every time it fails. That drops Friday. Your sidebar will show it.